Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add custom location on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. Let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat over here. And the very first thing I could do is press the camera icon to take a little photo. And then let's pretend you really need to add a custom location to this photo. You will simply click on this bent piece of paper like icon. And then you will see the option to add a location at the top here. So this will show up with some recommendations. However, if you only want to add a custom location, you could always just search and add a location. Just like this. And now it shows a suggest a place button. And then you can click on just that. And now you can type in all of this info. You can type in your name and then you will have to fill in your address, and then you must choose a category which can be anything. This can be a hotel, a shopping mall, or anything else. And once you submit it, Snapchat will review it and approve it, allowing you to add that custom location. So there you have it. This is how you do it. You can suggest that Snapchat add a location and then fill in the reset of the details. So this was the process by which you can add custom location on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.